Good afternoon. Welcome to our Facebook Live today of our unboxing of the inventory we got in this week. As you can see, we got quite a bit. So while I'm opening, just a reminder, those of you that signed up for our Saturday sampler for this year, tomorrow is the first day. We meet at 10 or 2, whichever you choose. We will open the doors in the morning at 9:45, and we do start on time. Okay, we got a roll of Insulbrite. If you don't know what this is for, this is used in like casserole covers, anything that's going to be hot, pot holders, maybe placemats. You might even want to put that in placemats because it holds the heat in. Okay, let's set this down here. Got some more of the Regency Bally Castle. This is from this is a reproduction fabric from the 18th century. We've been selling these pretty quickly, so we were able to get them. I was surprised. Usually they're gone and that's it, but I was able to get some. Okay, then we got Summer Breeze. Moda puts a line of Summer Breeze out every year, and we are now up to the 6th line. And I really had thought I wouldn't buy it this next time. However, it's gorgeous. So there's the jelly rolls, the charm packs. And it's probably one of the prettier ones I've seen. Now I got some bolts here. I think we got some bolts in too, and I'll show those to you here in a little bit. Leaf through these. They have like blue roses that are just gorgeous. And so this is going to be a really pretty line. All I'm saying is I know this is going to go, and I'm sure they're probably already out of it. If you want this, you better get it because I will not be able to reorder. It's one of those lines that they always sell out. Now in the past, those Summer Breeze lines, they've actually reprinted some, and I don't have any idea if they will on that one. If they do, then I might be in luck, but I wouldn't hold my breath on it. Okay, we've got some Aurifil, the light gray. I've got some new patterns, and these are really nice patterns. They take 5 1-yard pieces of fabric. So if you have a lot of fabric in your stash and you don't have a lot of each one of them, but if you can coordinate it, there's some really nice patterns that you could use. This one's called Hopscotch. This one's called Fly Away Home. And this one's really pretty. This is called Hugs and Kisses. This is called Windmills. And this one's called Summer Picnic. We got some more of the Fons and Porter 1/4-inch seam markers. We got some, okay, these are new. These are called, this is from Sewline. It's a fine point black fabric permanent marker. And the reason I ordered these, we used to carry the Pentel gel roller pens to use on your labels, and I can't get them anymore. And the rumor has it that they've stopped making them. I'm still doing some investigating, and I did hear of one company that distributes Notions, that they did have some in stock. And it could be just some stock that they had left over. I'm going to check with them, but we got these in. I tested one on some fabric, and it's fine. It's nothing wrong with it, but you know, you just kind of get used to the stuff that you like, and then you're disappointed when you can't get it anymore. And we got some gypsy grippers. I really like those, and matter of fact, we all use them here. Okay, let's see what this is. Now, I know a lot of you get on there and you say hello and hi. I can't see you. If I were doing this by myself and had a computer set up and had it facing me, then I would be able to see who's on there. So don't think I'm being rude because I don't respond. It's just I can't see because I have somebody recording it for me. Okay, this is a patriotic line, and I'm kind of confused on this one. I ordered some kits and this particular piece, and I think to put on the back, and the kits aren't due out for another month at least, but I get this single bolt of fabric, and I haven't figured out why because I don't think the other bolts in the line are out yet. But anyway, we've got that one. It looks like wood, and this is a batik. This batik is from Hoffman. And what is this one? Oh, this is some grunge replacement that we have. And this is the raspberry marble swirls from Moda. That we replace it. We carry that all the time. And this box weighs a ton. Okay, this is the Summer Breeze. These are so pretty. Let's do it this way. So if you like blue, this might be up your alley. And there's that one. Aren't those pretty? Okay. And that's all we have for this week as far as our inventory. Reminder, next Saturday, not tomorrow, but next Saturday, the 26th, will be Local Quilt Shop Day. We'll be celebrating that. We will have Plinko, and that you can come in and play and win a prize. We will have we're going to have a scavenger hunt, the Golden Bobbin scavenger hunt. And we'll have 3 sessions of Find the Bobbin. One will start at 10. One will be 11:30, and one will be at 1 o'clock. And we're just going to have a great time that day. So please come and join us. So now we don't have too many in here. I think it's my fault because I tend to forget. If I'm working up front, I forget to get people to fill them out. I'm sorry. Okay, we got Miss Quilty here. Joyce Woodhead. I will get your $10 gift certificate in the mail to you on Monday. And with that, stay warm. Tomorrow's supposed to be very, very cold, but stay warm, and I'll see you next week.